Prepositions of place, at, in, on. In general, we use at for a certain point. It shows an exact position. For example, I am at the library. We use in for an enclosed space. Basically, when something is inside something. For example, I am in the library. We use on for a surface. Use on when one thing is attached to or touching something. For example, the ball is on the table. For more examples, at the corner, at the bus stop, at the door, at the top of the page, at the end of the road. John is waiting for you at the bus stop. The shop is at the end of the street. In Paris, in the garden, in a box, in my wallet, in a car, in the library. They live in London. There are some books in the box. On the wall, on the floor, on a page, on the menu. You are standing on my foot. There is a picture on the wall. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.